Alright, I'm going to do an unboxing on the Terrot flight controller. I already cut the tape, that way it's just easier to do with one hand. So it just comes in a box like this from Hong Kong, I believe it was, off of Hobby King's website. And they just, throw the actual box for the Terrot in the bottom and throw some bubble wrap on top of it. So we got it's the one with the GPS. It's the ZYX-M. So anyway, this is the box. So this is the actual flight controller here. It's made out of aluminum, or at least aluminum casing. See your gimbal and your data port up here. All your channels, auxiliaries, and that fun stuff. It's a lot of pins. Nothing on the back. This is the adapter for the USB port. The LED, also an aluminum case. Camera doesn't want to focus. This is the PMW power module. There's your power in. I believe it's up to 22 volts in, and it's got a 12 volt and a 5 volt output. I believe these are LEDs in these holes to indicate if the power's on. Okay, and it comes with a bunch of cables and stuff. This is the compass and GPS module. I'm not sure what this port is for. It might be the power port, or the power input.
And now it's for... What is that for?
This is the controller. This is the computer, Bubba, for the drone. This is what makes it fly. Without that, it's not going anywhere. It comes with a USB cord. This plugs into the USB hub I was showing. Pretty decent packaging. We got pre-cut, looks like double-sided tape. Aiden, leave those alone, bub. Don't tear them up. It's kind of cool. They're, pre-cut to the right shapes. That's kind of cool. 3M, good stuff. Alright. So that is the Terrot. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I think I am. ZYX-M. And a cool holographic little tag there. Shows the modules on the back. Anyway, that's it.